creating a target audience declaration. Now it's time to put every little thing you've found thus far into a basic statement that defines your target market. This is really the primary step in creating a brand name placing declaration. However, that's a job for an additional day. For now, let's stay with creating a statement that clearly defines your target market. For instance, here's Zipcar's brand positioning statement. As mentioned in the classic market message, Kellogg's on advertising and marketing. We're interested in the first part of the declaration, which defines the target audience. To urban dwelling, educated, techno-savvy customers who fret about the atmosphere that future generations will certainly acquire. Zipcar is a car sharing service that allows you to conserve cash as well as reduce your carbon impact, making you feel you've made a smart, responsible selection that demonstrates you're committed to shielding the atmosphere. Zipcar is not targeting all residents of a certain city. They're not even targeting all the people in an offered city that do not have an auto. They're particularly targeting individuals who stay in an urban area, have a particular degree of education and learning, are comfortable with innovation, are concerned regarding the setting. When crafting your targeted market statement, try to incorporate most vital demographics as well as behavior feature you've identified. As an example, our target audience is genders, age range that reside in areas or kind of place, and like to activity. Perhaps sex is pointless for your market. However, you have 3 or 4 essential behaviors to integrate into your decision. Perhaps sex is pointless for your market. However, you have 3 or 4 essential behaviors to integrate into your declaration. If you offer numerous services or products, you may need to produce a target market declaration for each segment. Target market instance, Nike target audience. Regardless of its current market domination, Nike really provides an excellent example of what can go wrong when you try to target to basics of an audience. Nike began as a running shoe firm in the 1980s. They tried to increase their target market beyond joggers to consist of any person that desired comfy shoes. They released a line of informal shoe and it flopped. Hope you can understand some of what I've been trying to explain and that it has helped you a little. Please press the button below if you enjoy my video, and press on the bell at the top and the all button if you want updates. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you very much and goodbye.